And it was, what do you typically do when you're feeling stressed? I'm like, well, I usually go for a walk in the woods. Perfect, she said. Here's what you're going to do. Every day for the next 30 days, you're going to go for a walk in the woods. And I'm like, what? No, I can't do that. I need business advice, not nature therapy. But she really insisted, and I'm glad she did. And somehow I managed to find a way to do this. And it wasn't hard, actually. It was just, when you have the intention, you find ways, right? And I just got up a little earlier in the day, and I started my day every day with a walk in nature. And at first, I was asking that same question to God, the universe, the squirrels,